Welcome back, YouTube. What better thing to do on a beautiful Thursday at lunch than come to an open house that has a huge car show with it. There's everything here from early hot rods, trucks, 61 bubble top, all kind of cool muscle cars. We're gonna do a walk around, show you some different things. I'm probably gonna have to do some voiceover stuff in this because they have been absolutely blaring the music up until about 30 seconds ago. I had to get this in. Yeah, I know that everyone typically likes the working on cars part, but after we work on them, we go take them out. We brought the Blazer out today. Our buddy Tracy's got his wife's Bronco out today. You gotta come out and enjoy them too. I'm gonna show you some of these cool rides, maybe give you some inspiration, and maybe some vehicles that you never get to see again. I don't know. Stick around, check it out. It'll be fun. It's hard to beat a first-gen Mustang fastback on the gray center torque thrusts. Oof, man, it's a good road race inspired look. If you hung around the channel long enough, you remember my little 61 Biscayne. Wasn't a bubble top, but it was cool. This one is beautiful. Red guts, matching trim. I'm a big fan of this 68 to 70 body style Nova. I think they're a little slept on. Tracy and I were just talking about these. They're so cool, especially if you have a big block and a straight shift. And that was pretty in the gold. And probably my favorite or second favorite color in a Tri-5. This, I think they call this one Indian bronze. You can correct me if I'm wrong. This kind of copper bronze color on this 57 is beautiful. This is one of the coolest cars here. Man, it is just screaming traditional hot rod. One day we'll get to build something like this. Except for mine, preferably have 3 windows. Here we go. Same day, different car show. Found out earlier that the tech school that I went to, Lanier Tech, went through the motorsports vehicle technology program here, and they're having an open house today. Got some pretty cool stuff. A couple really cool C10s so far, some muscle cars, Corvettes. Today's already a wash. The other show was a midday lunch kind of situation. Might as well just slack off the rest of the day and have some fun. Let's check out some more of these cars. This car right here is extra special to me, at least. Belongs to a friend of the family, friend of mine, Bobby Towle. This was the first C5 Z06 that I had seen, and I instantly fell in love with these cars. I now have, well, not a Z06, I have a fixed roof coupe. Same silhouette, not quite as spicy as this one, but this is the car that started my real passion for late model Corvettes, and he still beats the brakes off of it. I love to see that thing. 70 Chevelle. It belongs to another friend of mine, Joe Steinmetz. This one, black vinyl top. Such a cool car. I personally prefer a 69. That's mainly because I grew up with one, but a 70 is such a good look. You can't go wrong with Steelies and caps. You know I love dog dishes. And you know I love X-frame Impalas, Biscaynes, Bel Airs. When you mix the two, man, whew. Yeah, this thing is so cool. I'm actually pretty sure this was at the show I was at earlier, but there was just so much going on. I don't think I really actually checked it out. We were just talking about these 68 to 70 Novas, and here's another one. These things are such a cool look. This one with more of a modern styling, but green on green. Whew. Oh, and it has 3 pedals. Yeah, these things I've always liked. Maybe one has to go on the build list. Anybody want to see one of these other than me? I love the Bullet dark green. You can kind of see it here in the light. Special edition cars. If you haven't seen the movie Bullet, are you really a car guy? Go check it out. They still make them in this colorway. It's so cool. Crown Vic swap, slick side F100. Man, we're kind of tucked in here tight, but you get the idea. Little drift car action. Our buddy Matt Lacko's car, right next to this sweet Corvette. Oh, big block and side pipes. Woohoo! Yes, sir. That's gold right there. These trucks are especially cool, at least to me. It's what you call the Chevrolet Cameo. Up front, regular Chevrolet pickup truck, but back here, they had these fiberglass bedsides that went on a normal step side inner bed rail, but it gives you more of a car appearance. I guess you'd say this is really the first of the fleet side trucks. Fiberglass rear bumper. These things are they're very, very rare. You don't see them often. I guess you'd kind of say it's maybe the city man's truck. Dodge also came out with one that had car styling on the bedsides, but I'm a little partial to Chevrolet. These really do it for me. But they're out of my tax bracket. Maybe one day. Just made it back to the shop. A little later than I was expecting, but for good reason. We won. All right, let's set this puppy down here. Golly, this thing has to be 20 pounds. There we go, we won. Best truck 2025 Motorsports Vehicle Lanier Tech College show. There she is. While I'm not typically a car show person, it's really cool to win, especially a homemade trophy like that. And I found out afterwards that the person that made this was actually a 19-year-old girl in the motorsports program, which makes it even cooler. Love to see young people, but especially the females getting into the sport. Really neat. That's it for today. I've slacked off long enough. I got to put the old girl away so I can get home, get ready to get back to work. Got to bring you the actual wrenching, fabricating content I know that y'all actually like. If you've stuck around, I really appreciate it. I know it's not what we normally do, but like I said earlier, if we're going to build these cool hot rods, we got to enjoy them too. This was my way of enjoying it. Hey, thanks for sticking around. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time.